So I've got this 4-in-1 record cleaning kit from Kulomi. So this is basically for people that want to keep their vinyls clean and their record players clean as well. So it's a 4-in-1 kit. We'll unbox it, check what's inside, and do some cleaning. Let's check it out. This is what you get inside. We've got something small here to clean the tip of the record player. Then we have some kind of spray, the record cleaner, and a big brush. And that's for the vinyl. This thing as well. So 4-in-1 kit. Okay, so first of all we'll use this needle cleaning kit, and you just take this tape off so we can open it. And then we just place this here, maybe slightly on here so the needle can reach in it. You just put the needle in gently a few times, and that's how you clean the needle. That's really easy. Then you just put this right back, and then you gotta place a vinyl here. There we go. And as you might probably see, my vinyl is not very clean. So what you do is you start this, let this one spin, then you use this brush first, let it do like 2-3 times, then you slowly go off, and that's how you do like a big particles clean. So 1, 2, 3, then you slowly go something like that. And then to clean this off, you use the small brush like that. And to do a more deeper clean, you would use the spray. You would spray 2-3 times, just like that, and then do the same thing again. Let's go 1, 2, 3, and then slowly go off, and then we clean this again, and we'll use the box to put them all back in. So the box is also for safekeeping, and that's a really good present for people that have a turntable, a record player with vinyls. Really cool and nice.